And literally, the plants react to our presence and it impacts our DNA. It's really freaking cool science.
And to piggyback on that too is the energy that's produced from all the environmental nature. You know, we go out, just as my background shows, you go out in nature and nature absorbs the negative energy and gives us positive energy. So that flower will give and produce positive energy for us too, because we are all energy and atom related, just like Kara Jean was emphasizing there.
Beautiful. Thank you both for that.